What is up guys, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the gloomy sky in your photo to whatever sky that you want. It's so easy that it literally can be done in 10 seconds. No Photoshop, no whatever fancy ass software. You just download an app called QuickShot, available in App Store and Play Store.
What is going on here?
Why is my necklace always tangled? Like, is it trying to choke me or something?
Yeah, baby, yeah!
For those filters with star icon on it, it means that it's premium. Hold up, I just found out that we have to pay to save our photos even with the filters without the star icon. The fuck? Bruh. You gotta pay for the filter, but do you think I would actually pay for an app? No. I think I hacked the system. You might be thinking that, okay, I'll just apply the filter and screenshot it. No, it would turn to this.
Oh, come on, man.
So what you're gonna do is to screen record it while you're editing it. So you turn on the screen recording and apply the filter, and then you take a screenshot on your screen recorded video instead. So let me show you how to hack this. First, you gotta turn on your screen recording. Now choose a photo that has a sky as background and tap on a sky button. Now you got a whole range of different skies to choose from. I know, it's so hard to choose, but I chose this orange sky. You can change the position left to right. And if you want to go extra miles, you can tap on the 3 dots, adjust the horizon and feather it out, or adjust a little bit on ambient and details, opacity, whatever you like. And once you're satisfied with the sky, you can make a screenshot. Remember, this has to be done in a screen recording mode. And lastly, go to your photo album and crop the photo. Yep, it's that easy. Wait. Does it work on photos without the sky as a background? Yes, you can, but you gotta do it manually. So tap on the eraser button and tap on the brush, and just brush the area that you want it to turn into sky. Just brush. Oh no, I covered up myself. So it's okay, we can just erase it with the eraser button. Duh. Now, if there's still lines at the background that you can't erase it, like the cupboard behind me, don't worry, we can just go to Snapseed, use the healing button, and just brush it. I know, it's such a hassle to edit so much things, so my advice is to take photos with a plain wall as a background. Remember the mirror challenge photo that I did at the beach? I did it with Photoshop and it took me 20 minutes. I want to see whether this app could replace Photoshop. But apparently it's hard to get through the fine details of my hair, so Photoshop can still win. So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, leave comments down below, like and subscribe for more content like this, and see you in my next video. Mwah.